Okay. Now, I had to remove this little kick panel here. You see the screw, and there's a tab there as well. Push the tab. Way over here, this one's harder to get back in. Be careful. Then the screw goes back in. I had to take those down when I ran that stupid wire for that OBD2. You don't need that. So anyway, I took it all out. The pack does not work. The PAC does not work. The rear speaker will not work. So the data link I got had a little flaw, which I think I created the little flaw because I'm stupid. And I'd like to know what that link is way back in there. So anyway, I've ordered the data link. The data link is coming in, and we're going to try it again. But the radio did go in finally with all the other stuff. The replacement data link. I put all the data link together, but the rear speaker didn't work because the connector was a little tiny bit messed up. So I don't know if the pack would have made the rear speaker work or not. But I had it for 10 years. The radio is a good radio. The AVH W4500 NEX. And I'm sure we'll get the rear radio working sooner or later. But this radio does not have onboard navigation. So don't worry about that. Yeah, this is a heck of a job. It's a terrible job. So anyway, I ran this long plastic line. It was like a big zip tie. And I ran that in there, down in there, and it came out, and then I had to remove that panel. And then I ran the line in for the OBD2 wire, and I'm sure that's the wrong one. I imagine the D-Link will be different. But yeah, it's a pain. Everything's a pain.